Hey everyone, I mentioned in my last Rouge Bunny Rouge video that I was also sent some of their other products. First of all, these. These are their Sweet Excesses Glassy Glosses. And these are absolutely beautiful, guys. They're like the whole collection of these. These are all of them. It's like a little kind of like candy shop. It's like a little ice cream parlor of color. So I will get on and swatch them for you, and I'll leave all the information and a link to every single one of them down below. So the first one we have here is Rosehip Panna Cotta. They have the cutest names. If you don't know anything about Rouge Bunny Rouge, go to their website, because their website is like an experience on its own. Their stuff is like true luxury, and they have this like fairy, like ethereal kind of tint to everything that they do. And I have never come across another brand that was so on point with their marketing, with their thinking, with the thought process that goes into all of their products. They're just amazing for that. You know, they're amazing for gifts, but also you just go and have a look at the site, because it's just beautiful. Their explanations for all their products are just stunning. It's getting quite dark here because it's raining again, so apologies for that. So this one is Rosehip Panna Cotta, and as I said, they're glassy glosses. They have like a I noticed that they have kind of like a vanilla-y, like menthol scent, but not menthol in like a plumping way. They're not plumping. So Rosehip Panna Cotta looks like this. These are unusual in that they are not they're not sticky glosses, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's Rosehip Panna Cotta. That's that one. They're kind of like a liquid lipstick. They have the staying power of a liquid lipstick, but without that kind of feel where you know that you're wearing it. They don't feel like that. These really kind of have like a balmy consistency, but they have the colour and the kind of like strike of a liquid lipstick. I don't know how they've done it. So Rosehip Panna Cotta looks like this. I love Rouge Bunny Rouge because they do bright so well, but they also remember to cater to people that probably, you know, they can't always wear bright lipstick or glosses, or they don't want to. Some people just don't like wearing bright lip products. And, you know, I totally get that. So I love the way they always do like a spectrum of colour with their lip products in particular. This one is Creme Caramel. Oh, the rain is really coming down now, if you can hear that. I've got the window open. So this is Creme Caramel. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my god, these are gorgeous. I have swatched these before, but look at that. That is Creme Caramel. What a gorgeous, like, nude, like, autumn shade, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. They are so, look at this. They are so silky smooth. And they're really balmy. Look at this, you see? They're really balmy. Usually if you did that with any other type of lip gloss type product, you'd have it everywhere, but they're really silky. Oh, this one. Let's have a look at this one. This is Berry Sorbet. Okay, so these are kind of like the more neutrally type ones, I would say. This is Berry Sorbet. I cannot wait to wear these. Do not, word of warning, you do not need a lot of these. This is Berry Sorbet. Stunning, stunning. I love, Rouge Bunny Rouge do their coral lip products so well, I think. I've never really come across another company that did corals like that were quite as diverse. Their corals aren't just kind of like, well, it's kind of like an orange. They really, I think, take their time to produce corals, from what I've experienced with their lip products, corals that are really kind of wearable. They're really kind of like natural. They kind of work with the tones of people's skin naturally. So this one is Coral Macaroon. God, these are stunning. These are stunning. Look at that baby there. So that's Coral Macaroon. I have my ring light on, but as usual, the minute I go to record, it dies. I don't know why. I have no idea why. My little remote thingies died as well, so The electronics around me today are having a bit of a paddy fit, but there we go. And then the last one, which is like they're like super, super red. They always do reds beautifully. I know I've banged on about the coral, but they do reds so beautifully. And this one is Red Velvet Tart. The packaging for this as well, the boxes, you've probably seen I've put some pictures at the beginning of the video. The boxes are like this beautiful red pattern. Like they're red but with their signature like Rouge Bunny Rouge pattern on it. I know a lot of people don't like packaging, they don't really care, but I do. I'm one of those weird people that really kind of goes to town with packaging. My freaking god, look at this. What is it? This was Red Velvet Tart. Oh my god, you guys, look at that red. Look at that red. Oh. I mean, look at the shade range there. Honest to goodness, there is one for everyone. I don't know how they do it. So those are the Sweet Excesses Glassy Gloss from Rouge Bunny Rouge. That's all of them. They are beautiful. They kind of, with their lip products, they have kind of made them more like a boutique. So they do the glassy glosses and they do the brand new Velvet Whispers full matte lip colors, and then it's kind of, they do a couple of lip oils and things like that, but that's kind of like their core collection now. They used to do more lip products, but I can see why they don't, and they've just kind of gone for like the glosses and the mattes. I totally understand that, because otherwise you just kind of get, there's just too much. I know a lot of brands do, oh, we do glosses and we do mattes and we do sheens and we do satins and we do all this, and I think a lot of the time people just get kind of confused, and I think especially with a luxury brand, you don't necessarily need all of that choice. You just kind of need like a core of products to choose from. You don't need all of this choice. I think the world is kind of like full of too much choice, I think, with a lot of things. You know, it's just everyone has to have way too much choice about everything now, and I think it's really nice when a luxury brand just goes, no, we're just going to do it like this. I think it makes it more bespoke, which I really love. So those are the glassy glosses. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure about the price, but I will put it down below, so don't worry about that. And then they sent me a couple of their other products. Okay, their packaging, I cannot get over their packaging. This is their Glorious Daylight Skin Perfecting Loose Powder. This powder is absolutely stunning, guys, to the point where I don't use it. I haven't had it very long, but I can't ever use it. I've only used it a couple of times because I don't want to run out of it. How stupid does that sound? I know. How stupid does that sound? But I just don't, because it's such a beautiful powder. Oh my goodness. And look at the packaging. Look at that. As I said, the Glorious Daylight Skin Perfecting Loose Powder. I understand to a lot of people it's like, well, it's a loose powder. No, it's way more than that. It really is absolutely beautiful. I cannot get over how stunning it is. It's gorgeous. It is perfecting. It really is perfecting. I put the thingy back on it for some reason. I really don't know why I've done that. It looks really pale. Why did I put the sticky thing back on? I don't know. It looks really pale, but for me, you're not going to be able to see this. For me, it's kind of, it's got this, you can't see, obviously, that's the point, you're not supposed to be able to see it, it's there. It is a perfecting powder, it is like a perfecting veil is what I would rather call it. I'd rather categorize it as a perfecting skin veil, because it really, you can put this on over your foundation, or what I have been doing a couple of times is I've just put it on over bare skin just to kind of see what it looks like. The luminosity is such a beautiful gleam. It's not sparkly, it's not shimmery. I don't know if you can see, there's no shimmer in there, but it has this beautiful luminous, I don't know, this like luminous transparency to it that I just cannot get over. It's the Glorious Daylight Skin Perfecting Powder. My goodness, if you're looking for a brand new kind of face powder, but you don't want anything that's like hugely full coverage, and you just want kind of like something to kind of really make you look ethereal, which, to be honest, who doesn't? That is my pick. That powder is amazing. And then two brow products, these are the only brow products they do, I believe. These are the Silhouette Grace Brow Expert Gels. I have 102, and I guess this one is 103. And they're just like these tiny little, in front of my face, you can see these tiny little spoolies. Absolutely stunning. Once again, you want to like a minimalist, this type of thing, you could just whack this on, just with no other brow product, just whack this on, just comb this through your brows, like put on one of these lip glosses, like put on one of these lip glosses and the powder, and you're like, and you would look so well. You would look absolutely so well, and people would be like, my God, what's your secret? You would just look so made up, and it didn't take any time at all. I swear. These products, all of their products are made to go together. You wouldn't need eyeshadow or anything like that. And then the other one is, oh, the rain. The other one is clear. Oh, this one is good. I knew this one was clear, so I guess there's, I don't know. So this is like the brown, and this is the clear. And I'm always after a clear brow gel because the spoolies on regular brow gels, they tend to be huge. But look at how tiny this is. Amazing. Look at the packaging. Their packaging is so beautiful. So much care and attention goes into their packaging, guys. So those are the bits that I was very kindly sent from Rouge Bunny Rouge. As I said, I also reviewed their full colour Velvet Whispers matte lipsticks. That's in another video. I'll link that. All the information about the Sweet Excesses Glassy Glosses will be in the box below. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. And I understand, you know what? These are trying times. Everything's kind of difficult. So why not treat yourself to a bit of luxury, I always think. Why not? Why not? You only live once, so treat yourself. That's what I think. It's going to be my new motto. If my bank account just went, oh no. So, okay guys, yes, thank you so much for watching. Come find me on Instagram. I live over there. It's Wildcat Makeup. If you've got any questions about anything, all the information about the Rouge Bunny Rouge products will be in the box below. Yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye everyone.